So it looks like Black Adam's finally getting a little magic. So this morning, the guys over at the Hashtag Show dropped another scoop, and this time it's about Black Adam. Way back in 2014, as you guys know, Warner Brothers and DC signed Dwayne Johnson to play Black Adam. It's been about 4.5 years and nothing has happened. Now that we're finally getting Shazam, it seems like things are getting some legs. Last month, writer Adam Setskill, who was brought on by New Line back in 2017 to write the film, turned in an updated draft of the script, which is probably going to please the fans of DC Comics. So the script seems to be taking some cues from Jeff Johns' early 2000 work, but does set up some heavyweight battles in the film. And who is it who could stand against Black Adam? That would be Hawkman. Yes, Hawkman. So the studio is looking to cast an actor, 30 to 39, to take on the role of Carter Hall. The actor has to be somebody the audience can believe could go toe-to-toe with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Interestingly enough, the script will also feature some other JSA members, being Atom Smasher and Stargirl, which is curious since Stargirl is headed to the DC Universe on TV. So a lot of the plot is being kept under wraps, but the additions of Hawkman, Stargirl, and Atom Smasher really get me thinking. With these three supporting characters, it really does beg one question. When is this happening? All three of these characters were part of the classic, original, early Golden Age JSA team. Could this movie be set in the early 1900s? It would give a pretty good reason for why nobody in the current day has heard of Black Adam, and could set up his defeat at the end of the movie to have him return in the modern day. It also makes me wonder, if we're going down this road, what other potential JSA characters we could see. Maybe characters like Jay Garrick or Alan Scott could show up. Who knows? Either way, Black Adam is set to start production in March 2020, so not a lot is moving, but we'll keep you abreast. What do you guys think of these new characters? And do you think Hawkman is physical enough to stand against Black Adam? They've got a past. I think so. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure you press like below, click subscribe, and if you don't ring that bell, you won't get any updates. Peace.